Hi, this is Jacqueline with Nickel and Dime Decor, and I am so excited, and you don't know what a treat you have in store for you. I'm at Vicki Peterson's home in Hereford, Texas, and I know you don't know where Hereford, Texas is, but we're going to put it on the map after we do this video. Vicki can toll paint, she can decoupage, she can upholster, she can wallpaper, she can paint, she can do anything, and I have admired her home for years and years, and I just wanted to take you through it. And we're probably going to do one, maybe two, maybe even three videos on it because I want you to capture everything. So we're going to get our camera set up and get ready. Thank you. Okay, we're going into the master bedroom. A beautiful, beautiful master bedroom. The chair, Vicki upholstered. Did you do the little stool?
Mm-hmm.
And she did the stool. Did you do that great big bench?
No, actually, that is the ottoman that goes between those two big pieces in the living room. The two
Oh, yeah.
couches, but moved it up here.
Oh, yeah. And I want you to note her wallpaper. I have never seen wallpaper like this. It's so cute. It's just precious. It goes in here perfect. And this, you're not going to believe. I know Vicki doesn't understand why I think this is so unique. This is a fan, folks. Look at that fan. I just can't, that's the most special fan I've ever seen. She didn't make it into a fan. It was a fan. Love it. Okay, let's go back. I want to show you what she did in her bathroom. And this is just painted, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's just painted. Look at that chair.
I don't think the light's on yet.
You can turn it on behind me. I wanted to show you folks her, this is painted. And look at the beautiful tile.
And that's that other chandelier I was telling you about that was in that matches that one.
Yeah, it matches another chandelier. Look at this beautiful mirror. Oh, did you do that up on the ceiling?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the ceiling. Oh, my word. I asked her where she come up with all these ideas. They just pop in her head. She
Well,
said,
some come from Pinterest.
oh, she looks at Pinterest. Yes, Pinterest. Look at that thing. And that was made, can you tell? That's a book up there. Now, I don't know how she did it, so I can't explain. So, but maybe you can do something like that. And then look at this beautiful old piece of this furniture, and she made it into a sink. Look at her beautiful tile. Just little things like that she makes. I told her she needs a shop. And she and I would sew and she can do all the rest, and we'll make videos and set Hereford, Texas on fire. So. And then they made this where you can have a little porch to go outside and sit in the summertime. I'll have to come back sometime in the summertime when they have, their yard is just beautiful. That's part of their property. And let's see. Did you do this?
Mm-hmm.
She did that. Look at that. Look at this beautiful little piece. So, so pretty. And another Christmas tree made out of paper. And that old mirror. And this is just an extra bedroom. And another beautiful piece that she upholstered. And look at that huge, beautiful mirror. So gorgeous. And of course, another chandelier. Look at her closet. With the chandelier in the closet. So, so pretty. Well, I think that's the top floor. And I think we've about covered everything. Of course, oh no, we gotta do this door. Vicki, come tell us how, the door was an original door, but tell us what you did to it.
Well, we left the glass in it, and then I took an old mirror and broke it up and mosaicked.
She mosaicked over the mirror. Isn't that beautiful? Well, Vicki, thank you so much for letting me come.
Welcome. You're very
I have
welcome.
had so much fun, and it's been a ball, and I hope y'all have enjoyed it as much as I have. Thank you, and God bless.